But this was one of the reasons for suggesting that the Eurofighter display was slightly disappointing. This was one of the most extraordinary displays that many people at the show had ever seen. The Su-27 is a prototype development of the already highly manoeuvrable Su-27, and that's an aircraft that we've become used to seeing at Western air shows. Both aircraft have fly-by-wire controls, but the 37's control system is the latest version. It also has a small so-called canard wing ahead of the main wing. But the main difference is that the engines of the Su-37 have vectored thrust. More about that in a moment, but that's what allows the Su-37 to do this manoeuvre, which really ought to be impossible for a big jet. And this probably weighs about 20 tons in its display configuration. And this is Sukhoi's not-so-secret weapon. Instead of having the jet thrust always pointing straight backwards, the pilot can move it up or down to give himself extra manoeuvring ability. Yevgeny Frolov reckons that along with the new fly-by-wire system, it all adds up to a big difference. As the lift on the wings increases dramatically, that means low pressure, suction on the top of the wing, the moisture in the air condenses out into those flash clouds. Isn't that just breathtaking?